sheets right off the corner of the.
This is the Connecticut Police Department activating the Amber Alert system that is in effect for all of Connecticut. A child has been abducted from the town of Durham at approximately 6 p.m. last night on July 19, 2025 and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Gracie Fitzgerald. She is a 9-year-old white female, 4 feet 8 inches tall, 100 pounds with blonde hair and blue eyes. Last seen wearing a red Spider-Man tank top, red sweatpants and white sneakers. Abducted by her father Jeremiah Fitzgerald, a 45-year-old white male, 5 feet 11 inches tall, 170 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. Only known clothing was a navy blue jacket. They may be traveling in a blue 2006 Subaru Forester, with Connecticut license plate of AN 63314. If seen, call 911.